This is Samsung Galaxy A14, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network on this device. So to begin with, I recommend that you launch the control panel, which you can very easily do by swiping downwards from the right half of the status bar. Then among the available controls over here, touch and hold at the Wi-Fi icon. Then assuming that the Wi-Fi network that you would like to share is the one that you are currently connected to, you gotta tap on it. Or well, at this gear icon rather. Then at the network details page, tap at the QR code icon over here at the bottom left corner. That's usually where you will be able to find it. And at the share network page that you will be forwarded to next, you will be provided with the QR code that you can simply scan with any other phone or device, should it be tablet or whatever device that you have, and get the aforementioned device automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.